Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you guys what I got for the black beans and then the pinto beans. These two are the organic. So we've been trying to eat healthy right now, and then this is Aunt Penny's since 1925, and USDA organic. Organic black beans are no preservative, no artificial colors or flavors, low in fat, natural, high in fiber, okay? And this is the nutrition facts right here. You guys can check them out. Or if you guys need to pause it, okay? And this one is the other one, the pinto beans. We're gonna try them out and hopefully taste good and just keep on buying them. So if this is tastes good, then we're just gonna keep on buying them, maybe in a bigger container. And these are the gluten-free. So anyway, I'll try to make another videos again for cooking with the oatmeal with this beans. And I'm also going to slide up some of the apple and bananas again. This time I got some strawberries. So hopefully I could do a video real quick for you guys to check them out, including this beans, organic beans. Okay. I also got the frozen all natural vegetable pack, and I'll show you guys when we're at the kitchen. So let's go ahead and then move on to that station. All right, stay tuned. So here we go again. We at the kitchen station. So this time I'm gonna do it differently. I'm gonna put like same thing, 4.5 cups of water, and I'm gonna let it boil first. Last time I mixed it up together with the Quaker's oats first, so maybe some of you guys don't like that. So this time I'm gonna do it differently, okay? So I'm gonna have 4 cups. It says cups, 4 cups of water. Actually 4.5, so I got a half right here. And then I'm gonna put 3 of the 3/4 cups of oatmeal in here and then dump in there after you start boiling, okay? So we could turn on the stove first. Okay. Turn on the fan. Then the half cup. And then put the lid in for a couple minutes, probably 5 minutes to let it boil. Then we start boiling, then you can mix your oatmeal in there, okay? Depends if you like it more moisture or more wet, you want to add more water into it. So while we're waiting for the water to get boil, I'm just gonna go over what I'm gonna put into my oatmeal real quick. So after I put the oatmeal, I'm gonna have put some of this chia seeds, okay? This is nature's finest food. It is gluten-free, vegan, with the whole seeds and kefir. This one has the richest plant-based source of omega-3 protein, fiber, and then antioxidant. Okay, oxidants. And these are the nutrition facts. Protein is 5 gram. Another thing is I have this mixed vegetable that I'm gonna mix in there. Okay. This one is a 0 gram of trans fat. And also this one is 100% natural, low fat, low sodium, gluten-free, high in fiber, and then cholesterol free. Good source of vitamin A. So it's 57 calories per serving. And 0 total fat, 0 saturated fat, 0 trans fat. Cholesterol is 0. Sodium is pretty low, 39 milligram, which is also 0. Protein is 2.5 gram. And then the dietary fiber is 12%. So we're just gonna let it boil, and then I'm gonna turn the fan back on. Okay guys, so the water is about to get boiled. As you can see, the steam is coming out from there. Okay, and then I have my big packs of Quaker Oats, 100% whole grain of old-fashioned oatmeal right here. Get ready to mix in there. Okay. So I'm gonna put the 3 of this 4 cups of oatmeal in there. Okay, you read it. One. 2. 3. Let's try and do this in there. And then you want to occasionally stir up. Okay. And then after that, you want to put the lid back. Just gonna use the stir real quick. And after that, you want to turn on medium heat or lower a little bit. Okay, in the meantime, just gonna let it boil. I'm gonna chop some of those apples and banana and get ready to put into the bowl. Once this thing get ready, well, I'm gonna put the frozen vegetable in there and mix it up as well, and also with the bean. So I'm gonna put those in those in right now. Ooh. That's why you want to leave it low heat on your stove. It's almost coming out from there. You could also make this oatmeal as a porridge, okay? So it depends however you want to eat it, you know. I guess I'm gonna try the black bean this time to see how it tastes. Hopefully my kids like it, so we'll see. So as you see right now, I'm trying to open, use a can opener and open the can. So I dump all the juice out and just want to dump this black bean in there. There you go. Try to mix it up and stir it up. I also got the Russell potato, but I'm probably not gonna put it in right now since I have the black beans already. I don't want to overdo it. So anyway, just gonna let it boil. Maybe turn it a little bit higher. And we'll be back. So I'm gonna prep the apples and banana and get ready to eat it. So if the oatmeal is too plain for you guys, you might want to add some of the little dab of garlic salt, okay? Just a tiny bit of it, okay? And then I got this black pepper. Make sure you shake it a little bit only. Go around it. You don't want too much salt. It's not good for you. Or if you want, you could put some of the Cajun seasoning. Just add a little bit. And then that's it. Let it boil. Mix it up. See how it tastes. Pretty good. So I'm waiting for the kids to come home and get ready to serve this healthy food for them. Oh, I forgot. Be sure to put some chia seeds in there. Okay. Just give it like a tiny couple spoon. and then stir them up. Make sure you stir up pretty nicely because I feel like some of the bottom it got stick to the pots, so you don't want to burn the food. Okay. Okay, guys. So I'm ready to serve a bowl, and I'm just gonna put this apples that I slice it up, put it on top of it. Okay. I don't want to eat the banana today, so. So I got the oatmeals, I got the carrots, peas, corn, and then black beans. All right. I'm just gonna slap this on top of it. And you could also put like any other fruits, blackberries, blueberry, raspberry, whatever, and then banana on top of it, or any kind of fruit that you like. Strawberries or grapes, green grapes, or unless you like tomato, you could also put tomatoes in there. Okay. Anyway, hopefully you guys like it and eat healthy. All right. Hopefully you guys like this video. Give a thumbs up and then subscribe to the channel. Please share this with your friend, family on social media if they are having acne, pimple problem, or their heart feel like they are congested because they are eating too much fat, oils, and then unhealthy food. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace out, guys, and have a healthy meals.